We'll go out and up. It's a, this is called a misty grey. It's a light grey grout. It goes really perfectly with this tile. I'm doing the wall and floors the same grout, which is cool. It's a good tile to grout. All you do is slap it in DIYs. Always concentrating on pushing it into your lines. Just like that. I had to cut out this hole for the sparky. They didn't have a hole in the wall and the wire sticking out, and I covered over it, and the owner rang me and she said, "Oh, I don't remember seeing a wire for the mirror, for the light." And I said, "Oh, well, I didn't see it." So anyway, the sparkies came and they said, "Yeah, that's about where it is." And the mirror itself got delivered yesterday. It's a big mirror and it's all lit up. So they roughly knew where the wire was. So I cut them a hole and yeah, all's good. All's hunky-dory.